Hi everybody, it's Scarlet Pete. Welcome to my self-sufficiency channel. Today I'm going to try a top tip I've been given, another Coca Cola tip. So my Mitsubishi car here has a little problem around the battery. We've got a bit of corroding around it, which isn't going to be very good for the terminals, for the electricity charge. Now we've already had one morning where it wouldn't start. Now it could well be that all this extra corrosion here is a problem. So a mechanical friend suggested to me I bought some Coca Cola and pour the Coca Cola over the terminal and it will fizz away all of that mess. So I'm going to give it a try, why not? Now then, do you think it's going to work? I'll try and hold it out the way, that plastic, while we pour this on. Now he says this should just melt away and clean it all up. I don't know, let's see. Oh, I think it's working. I think you might be right. Now I'll keep the video going just so you can see in real time what is happening. Let's get that focused for you. It seems to be doing the trick. Now this is amazing stuff for cleaning things. I just don't fancy drinking it because my teeth, I don't want them to fizz away. But I think you're going to see that there is a definite improvement there in that terminal. And even now if I just run a wire brush over it, that really should make quite a difference. So there you go, you judge. What do you guys think? It's definitely better. I don't know if water would have done the same thing. I think not somehow. So thanks for watching my channel. Let me know in the comments whether you think this is a good idea or not, whether it works for you. I should have checked actually on the internet if this is a known thing. Take care everyone. Like, subscribe and share please. I need to get my channel growing. Lots of love. Bye.